Ever imagine transforming your thoughts into a visually stunning masterpiece in mere seconds? Hold on to that excitement, because today we're diving deep into the realm of AI-powered text-to-video generators. 7 game-changing tools that are reshaping the contours of content creation. Whether you're a budding creator or seasoned professional, you're about to discover a treasure trove that could revolutionize your storytelling. Ready for this digital voyage? Let's set sail. Number 1. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 burst onto the scene and quickly became a favorite among content creators. With an intuitive interface, this AI-powered tool has the ability to transform your articles, blog posts, and scripts into engaging videos. Imagine a world where you pen down a thought and the next moment you have a vibrant, engaging video encapsulating your ideas. That's the magic of Lumen 5. While some platforms feel robotic and distant, Lumen 5 stands apart with its keen sense of human touch. It automatically selects relevant footage and images based on the context of your text. But it doesn't just stop there. It also suggests the perfect music track to accompany your visuals, ensuring your video isn't just informative, but also emotionally resonant. Diving into its features, one can appreciate the platform's massive media library. From stock images to clips and even captivating animations, it ensures that your content isn't just another drop in the digital ocean, but a sparkling wave that stands out. It's democratizing video content creation, and with its free tier, there's nothing holding back the budding creator in you. But Lumen 5's prowess doesn't stop with its basic features. The real game changer lies in its adaptive nature. Over time, as you create more content, the AI learns and evolves, adapting to your unique style and preferences. Whether it's a penchant for vibrant colors, a specific type of music, or a certain pace of narration, Lumen 5 subtly fine-tunes its suggestions, making each video a more refined reflection of your brand and vision. It's a partnership where both the creator and the tool grow in tandem, always striving for excellence. Number 2. Invid. Invid beckons to all those who have wished for a platform that seamlessly merges simplicity with sophistication. It's the bridge between your textual ideas and video realities. While some platforms cater exclusively to professionals, Invid ensures that even a novice can jump aboard the video creation bandwagon. With its AI, Invid delves deep into your text, mining for core themes and sentiments. This isn't just a text-to-video converter, it's a storyteller. Your words are transformed into compelling visuals that are stitched together in a narrative format, making your content not just viewed, but deeply felt. Accessibility is another feather in Invid's cap. With templates that cater to every possible genre, mood, and theme, users are spoiled for choice. Whether it's a fun explainer video, a moody montage, or a dynamic presentation, Invid's free version hands you the reins to your creative chariot, urging you to gallop into the horizon of endless possibilities. But wait, there's another layer to Invid's charm: its collaborative spirit. Recognizing that content creation is often a team effort, the platform facilitates easy collaboration. Editors, writers, and designers can work together in real time, making tweaks, sharing feedback, and refining the final product. The results? Faster turnarounds and videos that truly resonate. Invid isn't just a tool, it's a virtual workspace where creativity thrives. Number 3. Capwing. In the digital realm, where speed often trumps depth, Capwing emerges as the hero we all needed. Designed for those on the go, this AI text-to-video generator lets you whip up videos in a jiffy without compromising on quality. It's like having a mini film studio in your pocket. Capwing understands the pulse of the internet. The AI not only converts your text into video, but ensures it's in tune with the latest trends. It's almost as if the software has its ear to the ground, picking up on the subtleties of digital culture, giving your content that contemporary edge. While many tools overload users with choices, Capwing strikes a perfect balance. Its curated selection ensures that you aren't overwhelmed, but always find just what you need. From funky transitions to chic text effects, its free suite offers just enough to keep the modern content creator enthralled and engaged. The brilliance of Capwing extends to its commitment to community. Beyond just being a platform for creation, it fosters a space for learning and exchange. With its regularly updated blog and user forums, Capwing users can share tips, tricks, and insights, ensuring that everyone benefits from collective wisdom. It's not just about individual growth, but about elevating the entire community of creators. In Capwing's world, every user is both a student and a teacher. Number 4. Synthesia. Enter the future with Synthesia. If you've ever dreamt of creating videos that look straight out of a sci-fi movie, this AI-driven platform is your ticket. Harnessing the power of deep learning, Synthesia pushes the boundaries of what's possible in video generation. What sets Synthesia apart is its avatar-based approach. Instead of generic visuals, you get AI-generated avatars that can speak your text. It's an immersive experience where characters come to life, narrating your content with uncanny realism. For educators, marketers, and storytellers, this is revolutionary. The ability to personalize content, to have an AI-driven avatar mimic human emotions and nuances, ensures that viewers are not just passive consumers, but active participants in the narrative. And the best part? All this futuristic goodness comes without a hefty price tag in its free version. The wonder of Synthesia goes beyond its advanced AI capabilities. At its core, it's an advocate for authenticity. Despite leveraging cutting-edge technology, it encourages creators to infuse their unique voice and essence into every video. This balance of tech and touch ensures that while videos have a polished, professional sheen, they never lose their human warmth. In Synthesia's universe, technology is a tool, not a replacement, and the human spirit always shines brightest. Number 5. Render Forest. Render Forest is where aesthetics meets intelligence, a platform that's as much about design as it is about technology. If you're someone who doesn't just want a video but a piece of art, Render Forest is your muse in digital form. Each video generated here feels bespoke, tailored to the nuances of your text. It's not about merely converting words into visuals, but about crafting a visual symphony. The AI studies patterns, rhythms, and tones in your text, ensuring the output is harmonious and captivating. With a plethora of design templates, animations, and color palettes, Render Forest offers a playground for the imaginative soul. You're not just creating content, you're painting on a digital canvas. And with its free tier, it ensures that artistry is accessible to all, not just a privileged few. Beyond its artistic prowess, Render Forest understands the business of content, recognizing that videos often serve a purpose, be it marketing, education, or advocacy. The platform provides detailed analytics. Creators can track viewer engagement, retention rates, and other key metrics. This symbiotic relationship between art and analytics ensures that while videos are aesthetically pleasing, they also effectively serve their intended purpose. Render Forest beautifully marries the heart and the mind in content creation. Number 6. Wibbits. Wibbits is the silent maestro, orchestrating a grand visual opera from your text. With an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, it's as if you're sculpting your video with the AI as your able assistant, offering tools, suggestions, and insights. The magic of Wibbits lies in its adaptability. Whether you're crafting a corporate presentation, a travel vlog, or a heartfelt personal story, it molds itself to your needs. The AI seamlessly transitions between moods and tones, ensuring your video feels organic and genuine. One might wonder about the diversity of content possible with such platforms. But Wibbits, with its expansive media library and customization options, ensures that no two videos are the same. Each creation carries the unique fingerprint of its creator, even as the AI ensures it's polished, professional, and pristine. Delving deeper into Wibbits, one discovers a tool deeply committed to inclusivity. Recognizing the diverse tapestry of its user base, the platform offers features like automatic subtitle generation and multi-language support. This ensures that videos aren't just captivating, but also accessible to a global audience. In the interconnected digital world, Wibbits stands tall as a champion for content that resonates universally, breaking barriers of language and geography. Number 7. Type Studio. Last but certainly not least, Type Studio brings a fresh perspective to the AI text-to-video domain. Imagine a world where editing a video is as simple as editing a Word document. Sounds too good to be true? Enter Type Studio. With its innovative approach, you edit the text and the video follows suit. It's a game changer, especially for those who have often shied away from video creation, fearing the complex editing process. Type Studio demystifies the entire ordeal, making it as simple as typing on a keyboard. The platform's AI isn't just about ease, but also about efficiency. It intuitively understands pacing, rhythm, and emphasis, ensuring that your video isn't just accurate, but also impactful. For content creators who juggle multiple roles and wear many hats, Type Studio, with its free offering, is the trusty sidekick, always ready, always reliable. The beauty of Type Studio doesn't just lie in its innovative approach, but also in its flexibility. Recognizing the varied needs of modern creators, it offers features like automatic translation and voiceover capabilities. This ensures that your content can effortlessly traverse borders, reaching audiences far and wide. In a globalized world where content creators often cater to diverse demographics, Type Studio emerges as a trusted ally, ensuring every message is heard loud and clear across continents. And just like that, we've explored the digital galaxies of content creation. Remember, in the world of AI, your imagination is the only limit. So go on, harness these tools, and let your stories shine brighter than ever. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.